Today I'm going to show you how to use your bamboo brush techniques to paint bamboo!
Hello, my talented artists.
If you like this content, don't forget to subscribe and click the thumbs up. First things first, artists, write your name. Write it slow and neat. And we will know who your painting belongs to. Okie dokie. When you are ready, set down your pencil and get ready to watch. We are going to use the 2 colors on 1 brush method. You can pick any colors you want. I have picked purple and green, but you get to pick any colors that you want. I'm going to activate each of my colors by taking a little bit of water. Just a little. I'm going to gently press out a drop and rub, 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 rub. All right, now I'm going to wash my brush. And remember, whenever we wash the brush, we gently sweep the bottom like a little goldfish cleaning their bowl. Now I'm going to activate the green. You're carrying water from the bowl to your paint. That's why we want the right amount of water. Not too much, not too little. I'm loading up my brush with the green, twirling, twirling, twirling. And now I want to get the tip purple. And I'm going to hold my bamboo brush straight up and down while I just twirl the tip because I want the purple to stay on the bottom half. Okay. We are going to do a new brush stroke. We are going to make a segment of bamboo. And we're going to do that by pressing our brush down and then sliding it up. And you can see how one side has purple and the other side has green. Let's see if that is enough paint to do a second segment. So very close to one segment of your bamboo, you're going to start your second segment. Press down and then drag it. Now you can see I am missing a lot of the purple. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna load my brush again and I'm gonna get more purple on there. We are just experimenting and learning. So I'm gonna load my brush again. So let's load our brush with green again and get the tip nice and purple. And I'm gonna go over it again. I'm gonna angle my brush so that the tip makes contact with the paper. I'm gonna make a little segment going off the page here. Press down and go out a little bit and then off the page. Okay, we want our bamboo to go all the way off the page at the top. So let's load our brush with green again and get the tip nice and purple. Tip, 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 tip. And we're gonna make our 4th segment by pressing down and then pulling up off the page. All right, so now I have a piece of bamboo, 1 piece. I'm gonna fill that one in. I'm sure the masters would cringe. Oh, it looks kind of cool though. All right, I have 1 piece of bamboo. You can make as many as you like. They can be, you can see mine is a little bit diagonal. Yours can be any direction you want. Now it's your turn to load up your brush with 2 colors, any 2 colors you want, and make 1 or 2 pieces of bamboo that go all the way off your page, making sure that you leave white spaces to represent the segments of bamboo. In the next lesson, I'm going to show you the technique of how to make bamboo leaves that will really fill out your beautiful bamboo painting.